Tens of thousands of people waiting eagerly for the 53rd annual Target International Fireworks. And this year, something different, a flash mob.
And so we started rehearsals probably a month or so ago. I was able to get a special effects company on board as well as a production crew so that we can film it and capture the moment. And we think it'll be pretty big.
German says 200 dancers were recruited from 2 dance schools in Windsor. The choice of music wasn't hard. They settled on Firework by pop singer Katy Perry. Then the real fireworks. Adelle, Loiselle, Blackburn News.